we have discussed a very interesting part, that how we can find out the density of any substance with respect to any other material. Even you can take some mud or a plastic bag with some water and find out the density of iron. It is possible. Now, another very interesting fact with the balloon I am discussing. Let us consider that we have only single 100 gram of weight, and that weight I have placed at 1 centimeter on the beam balance. So that there is another unknown mass m which is placed at 20. That means, this mass I do not know how much it is, but I have placed it at 20. So, what happened? This m is equal to 100 divided by 20, therefore 5 gram. Now, I make the entire thing reverse. That means, 100 gram is now placed at 20 and another unknown mass at 1 centimeter of the beam balance. So, here the m dash becomes 20 into 100, that means 2000 gram weight, that means it is equal to 2 kg. That means, with a single 100 gram weight, you can measure from 5 gram to 2 kg. It is theoretically possible. Why theoretically possible? Because when you are putting a weight at 20 centimeter, an error can occur, because the thread can be 1 millimeter this part, this side. That means, there is an error of 0.1 centimeter. That means, error will be 0.1 divided by 20 centimeter. That means, it is 0.1, not 0.1, 1 divided by 200, or we can make it 5.5 divided by 100. Am I correct? I have multiplied with 5, then 100. Okay. So, the error is 0.005. But here in this case, if in 1 centimeter we have a error of 0.1, that means, if I make it 1 divided by 10, that means the error is 1 centimeter. That means, we have an error of 0.1 centimeter in 1 centimeter, and here we have a error of 0.005 centimeter in 20 centimeter. So, with a beam balance, you have to use as far away from the center as possible. Then you shall, at least you should go beyond 15. Whatever you want to measure, the error should be less if you use the length after 15. Then this is called proportional error. As for example, I want to measure this thickness, and I have another scale. This scale is here. Should I use the scale to measure the thickness of this, or I shall use the screw gauge to measure this? Screw gauge. And you want to measure this table length. Can I use a screw gauge? No. I can use a scale which will have less error. That means, 1 millimeter in 1 meter, and in this case it will be 0.1 millimeter in 1 millimeter. So, whenever we shall use some instrument, we must be careful that how much error it can occur. Error is very important in all kind of measurement. So, thank you very much. This is a very important and easy demonstration of torque, rotational motion, and how we can use this beam balance, and I hope you can apply it to your daily life. You can weigh your pencil, you can weigh anything you want, find out the density. These things are very useful things. Okay. Thank you very much.